it's DestinyArmani and I'm back with another YouTube tutorial. Hey guys, it's DestinyArmani and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I really wanted to do something with yellow because yellow is such a beautiful color and it looks so great on all skin tones. Like I feel like it brings us out, especially brown girls. And so I really wanted to do this look and incorporate yellow and gold and brown and just go with that. So I hope you guys enjoy and here's my step style.
Hey guys, it's DestinyArmani and I'm back with another makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I really had fun doing this look because I really love yellow. I think it looks so good on brown and dark and light. It really doesn't matter what skin tone you are, but I really love it on my skin tone, so I wanted to do this and do some browns, yellow and gold together. And so I hope you guys enjoy this. Let's get started.
Alright guys, as you can see I already did this side of my face, so let's move on to the other side and follow this step by step. So for my transition color, I'm going into the Masquerade by Juvia's palette and I'm using the dark brown called Bergamot. Now I'm going to cut my crease and I'm using Soft Orchid by MAC and it's their Pro Long Wear Paint Pot. Now I'm going to go into the Zulu by Juvia's palette and they have this very beautiful yellow and I'm going to use that for the crease that I just created and I'm also going to put it underneath my eyes. Now time for foundation and I am using Maybelline's New York Fit Me number 355 color coconut. Very important to blend your foundation, so I always bring it to my neck and I put a little on my ears as well. Now I'm going in with my Pro Long Concealer by MAC number NC50. I put it underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, and my chin. Time to blend it in. Now I'm using Sasha's Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to place it everywhere I place my concealer. So that's underneath my eyes, my chin, and the bridge of my nose. I don't let it sit for long, so now we're going to take this brush and brush it away. Going to contour my nose, my cheeks, and a little underneath my chin, and I'm using the darkest brown coming out of the Jolie Contour palette. Time to blend it out using my contour brush. Now time for my favorite part, which is highlighting. So I'm coming out of the Jolie Contour palette. I'm using the gold. I'm going to place it on the bridge of my nose, my chin, and my cheekbones. Blush I'm using is by Color Mates, and it is the color Mauve. I'm also going to add gold to the corners of my eyes, and I can't forget my Cupid's bow. I'm going to do a wing using NYX Super Skinny Eye Maker. And now I'm going to add my glitter primer, which is by NYX. The glitter I'm using is by Beauty Treats, and I'm going to place it in the corner of my eyes where I just placed the glue. I am using the lip liner called Espresso by NYX. The lipstick I'm using is called Velvet Teddy by MAC. I'm going to go over it with a lip gloss by Simple Pleasure called High Shine, and it's a nude lip gloss. So I got all dolled up and forgot mascara. Mascara, how do I forget mascara? But as always, I'm using NYX Doll Eye Mascara Volume Black, and it is my go-to mascara. I love it. Now my Prep and Prime spray by MAC. Alright guys, and that is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. I hope my step-by-step was easy to follow. Let me know your comments below and make sure you subscribe and tell a friend. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Much love. Oh, and I almost forgot, my braids were done at Armani's Hair Studio by Jerry Lovett. So if you live in South Carolina or you're visiting and you want an amazing hairstyle, that's the place to go.